Hey there, and welcome back to Growing with Grace. Glad to have you visiting as we enjoy the adventure of growing with our baby daughter, Grace. Today's episode, we're going to be unboxing Graco's Duetsoothe. It was a gift from Grandma and Grandpa. And so we're going to unbox it and see if we can't put this thing to use. As with all unboxing, step one is unbox it. So step one is to wrap. Oh, there's some more. Oh, let's see how all this is together. There's this. So first I will say that these are not the clearest of instructions. So, and it says attach seat pieces together as shown. Here. There we go. All right. Our canine inspectors have to make sure all equipment is safety certified. Okay, so wrap seat pad around the vibration unit and bottom of seat frame. Okay, kind of a tight fit. There are little elastic pieces right here. Go around little hooks. Okay. Pull seat pad webbing through bottom of frame. That's this here. Basically, there's, not sure if you can see it, there's these little fabric tabs right here is what they're talking about, pulling through the frame. Now we are going to go with this rod. It has spring-loaded pins here, which go into up. I'm getting too far ahead of myself. Hopefully I can get this thing out of here. Supposed to go inside there. Okay. All right. Read the directions thoroughly, Jim. All right. And then there are screws that will hold these guys in here. So that's the other two screws you get. And that is the extent of the screws. So okay. Now we'll fasten these guys. Sure I got the right ones. Hold on. All right. Here, and then this. There. All right, so that is the assembly of the seat. There you have it. Set this aside. It's got the spring-loaded pins here as well. Let's attach it to our seat. So there's 2 grooves right in here that this guy is going to slide into. Once again, it has the spring-loaded pins. All right, I am fairly certain now that we now have, this is the rocking version. So like I said, it can be a rocker, motored, and we get these here. And the thing to note, so they do have the pins on each side, but you can see that one has the power, and if we look at the motor assembly, you also get that here. So that would show you which one plugs in where. So, and then you can also see that the retractor pin here, the only hole it has is on the outside. So there's only one way that this thing's gonna snap in there. I'm gonna put these together. And the thing to note is that, and I'll show you on this one, so yes, you have the pin, but you have this slot, and there's already screws in here where the slot kind of anchors itself on there, so it doesn't rotate or anything like that. Except this doesn't look right. It's very odd looking. We'll have to see if that's the way it's supposed to be. I'll show you what I'm talking about. One goes up and one goes down. Okay. So the next step is these pieces right here. You can see they have a screw or a rod here. Okay, that's one of them. See, this just doesn't look right. So it kind of kind of shows that there's a little pushing and pulling to get these things connected, but that seems like a lot of distance to cover. Yeah, that is not. Maybe I have this. I think I have this. All right, so folks, if you put it together and you wonder why it looks funky, is because both these ends are, they are not identical. So this one has a little groove, and the leg that goes into it has a little, you probably can't see it, but it has a little bump here that groove rides on. So the one you want to put in to this end is not the one with that groove right there. So that should bring everything into alignment here. And look at that. It's amazing what happens when you put the right end to the right thing. Yeah, all right. So I will say that the instructions do not mention the groove there. So just be alert on that, because it's going to be easy to put that one in backwards like I did. And then this is a little protector cover that just pops in. Hold it together. There you've got the base. We take this. The pictures are better here, and it shows you that, oh, maybe not. Okay, they both have pins. So they both have grooves at the end, so it's not conducive as to which one of these is. Okay, so I'm gonna, I think I got it, and then let's see, it goes into the seat. Let's move this back, put it right here. So if you look at the back of the seat here, right here, this right here is where these are gonna snap, just like this. Okay, so to note, the longer end before you reach this pin is what connects into the seat. Just like that. Pretty sure you can see from here there are these indentions. Got this lever mechanism here. There's pins here that it moves. So all you do is come around, actually like this, and there you go. It says to make sure that it's attached. To adjust the seat position, you have this, which you can have it as such, and as such. And there is a lever, I guess I'll turn it like this, you can see it right here, to set the recline on the seat. So that's pretty much everything put together. If you want to just use the rocker, then grab here, pull in that button that I mentioned earlier, take it off, and there you go. Now you have the rocker and you can carry it wherever you want. There you go. Let's go ahead and get this cute little teddy bears. They just have a little string with the knot, slides into each of these grooves. And then a little hook. Let's see, where's the... There we go. Now it is, the motor at the top is plugged in, which was why we had the, what side is it on? You can see here, it's got the little plug. So that can that's the highest setting. You can turn it completely off. It also has not sure if you can hear it. Has just like noise, just white noise. Okay, and you do have to have it rocking for the music to come on. Turn that off. So you can have the white noise without it rocking. And then here you have increased volume, decreased volume. All right, well, there you have it. It is, since the rocker portion is detachable, and it does have this vibrations that it can do. Does take batteries, which are not included, and I don't have any batteries on me, so it just looks like it has 2 levels of vibration while it's as a rocker. Does have, you know, standard, I'll call it a 5-point harness, but just very much like a regular seat, you know, car seat. Maybe we can have Grace here take it for a spin. What do you say? What do you say, girl? Definitely. I mean, Grace is small. It definitely is able to fit. What do you think, Grace? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Oh, I can't hear you. You're got your... Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for joining us here at Growing with Grace and the unboxing of this. I think it was called the Duetsoothe, mainly because it's a rocker and a swing. So if you want to continue joining us on this journey with Grace, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm sure there are other people out there that are going to struggle with this just like I did. So If you ring the bell, you'll be notified of future videos that we post, and you can enjoy the life of Grace growing up just like we can. Till next time, take care, and we'll see you around.